If you're on a Windows computer, you can do that simply by, the first one comes from Sunny Beach 42 from YouTube. She asks, or they ask, my computer is running super slow. Everything takes forever to open. Well, there's a couple things that you can do for it. The first one is open up Task Manager. And if you're on a Windows computer, you can do that simply by right-clicking on the taskbar and open up Task Manager. Then click at the top and look under CPU, memory, or storage, and see which one is actually pegged up as the most used. A lot of times this happens because there's applications that get installed and there's update managers that usually run in the background, especially during system startup. If today cleared up even one headache, a weird pop-up, an AI worry, or a stubborn printer, you're already ahead. Write down the one fix or idea that helped most and try it before the week's out. If you found this useful and informative, please share it with someone who could use a little help making their tech life a little easier.